When you're working with clients inside ClickUp, here's one automation that I'd suggest adding. The structure that I've got here is I've got a private list and a client list. The private list is for me and all my tasks. The client list is where I'll invite the client and they can see everything, comment on everything, but they can only see what gets added to there. So the automation that I want to set up is when we click this show client button here on the right, it's going to add this task to the client list. Then they'll be able to see all the info and they can comment and see the progress of what's going on. The way we set this up is we're going to add an automation and we are going to say, let's do it on a task, when the custom field, and the custom field that we want is show client, when the custom field changes to checked, then we're going to add to the list, and the list we want to add to is going to be our client list. Create that. Great, so now when we click this show client button, all of this information here is going to be added to the client list. They'll see everything. You might not want them to see that, but there'll be other ways of doing things then. So they'll see all of this description. We've got no subtasks on here yet, so what we can do here is click the suggest button, and then ClickUp AI is going to suggest some subtasks for our parent task here. So I'll click accept, they all look good to me. It's going to add them in one by one. Now what we want to do is we're going to click this show client button, and that automation will run, and this task is going to get added to the client list here. So we'll move over to the client list, and you can see the same task as here is in progress. The client can see this, they'll click in there, and they can comment, ask you questions, all that kind of stuff. So this is great if you're working with clients, you want them to see the progress of a task, and you want to interact with them inside ClickUp. Everything's in one place, and your team will work smoothly.